introduce you to our S-FAB CDM 2540. It's a dual mitering column bandsaw that is completely capable of going up to a 60-degree miter on one way and a 45-degree miter the other way. It's a very heavy-duty saw. Nice saw, lots of features. What I'm going to do is go ahead and just raise up the saw right now. Vice, so that your blade guide synchronizes and works. The saw has a lot of really nice features. It has heavy-duty built-in rollers into the feed table, so that when you're loading heavy material, you don't have to try to force it in or hit it with a hammer or anything like that. Auger, chip blade, or a chip auger to remove the chips. It's got a heavy-duty gearbox on the back side, so that way when you're running, it's not just on the electrical motor. Then again, like I said, 60 degrees by 45 degrees on your miters. It does have a laser pointer, so that you can see where you're cutting on your material. It's got blade sensing as well as material sensing, so that when it's starting to drop, it'll come down pretty quick, and then as soon as it gets within that blade sensing, it'll slow itself down. That really helps speed up production in shops. A few other features, I mean, obviously the safety guards and stuff like that. Hydraulic blade tensioning. The control is awesome. It's got the Siemens Semick HMI, which is integratable, and you know, if you have a beam line or a conveyor system and you're doing automation, you know, and you want everything just work together, there's ways to integrate this and make it work with that. It's got heavy-duty brakes on the hydraulic system when it does do its miters, so that it'll lock in place and it can handle. What I'd like to do is come over to the remote, go over a few things, and show you how easy it is to do your miters.
All right, now we just have a little scenario here. We're using a 24-inch Schedule 40 pipe, cutting it at a 45-degree angle. Everything's set up automatically. The top clamp will come down, the horizontal clamp, and we're using our micro mist system. You can see the blade, it dropped fast and then started to slow down. Now we have an I-beam in the saw. We're going to do a sample cut on that so that you can see the profile sensing or the material height sensing feature on the saw. So it's going to come down fairly quick to about an inch above the saw. From right there, it'll start to do its slow down to the actual speed that it will be cutting in. I do have it set up on the automatic mode, cutting 90 degree. So I go in, start my cut, clamp automatically closes, tensioner or blade guide slides down too, and then it'll start the cut. You can see it drops fairly quick for the first little bit, and then it's going to slow down. Again, blade retracts after the cut's done. It's going to stop just about an inch above because that's where it senses the materials at. But thanks for watching the video. Jump on our website, rmtus.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.